Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a dynamic sliding video in Capcut. First, open the Capcut application on your device and tap to create a brand new project. Next, import all the video clips and images you wish to use from your gallery. Once imported, carefully arrange these media assets onto your timeline in the exact sequence you envision for your final video. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth editing process. Now, let's create the actual sliding effect. Choose the specific video clip or image you want to animate on your timeline. At the beginning of its movement, add your first keyframe. Then, advance the playhead by about 1 or 2 seconds, reposition the clip to where you want it to end up, and add a second keyframe. Capcut will automatically generate the smooth sliding transition between these 2 points. To make your slide transitions look even more professional, utilize the graph editor. Select the clip with the keyframes and tap on the graph icon. Here, you can choose from various preset curves like ease in or ease out to give your slide a natural acceleration or deceleration. Experiment with adjusting the curve handles to achieve the perfect, fluid motion for your video, making it visually appealing. Finally, let's polish your sliding video. Browse Capcut's wide array of effects and transitions to add extra flair. Consider adding some fitting background music or sound effects to enhance the overall mood and engagement of your creation. Once you are completely satisfied with your masterpiece, tap the Export button. Select your desired resolution, such as 1080 pixels, and share your amazing sliding video with the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.